Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen on behalf of Expert Village. In this series, we're learning all about fall blooming flower bulbs. And we cannot talk about fall blooming bulbs without talking about canna lilies. And this canna lily, Cleopatra, is spectacular, and it breaks all the botanical rules. The foliage itself has stripes, and they're not like mirrors. Most foliage, it's like a mirror. There's stripes on both sides of the foliage. But the Cleopatra, it might have just one burgundy stripe on one side. Or it'll be half burgundy and half green. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. It might have a bloom that's yellow with red spots. And then right above that, it'll have a pure red flower. So there's really no rhyme or reason to it. And it's not a big canna lily. It only gets maybe 3 or 4 feet tall at the most. So it's considered a medium. Big as the Durban or the Pretoria that can get 8 feet tall. It stays a little more compact, which I really love about it. And no two plants are the same. When I plant them, I only put them about 3 or 4 inches deep, and I put them in groups of 3 or 4 or more. They like to be in groups to do well. And you only have to plant them, like we said, about 3 inches deep. And there's little eyes, so the growth will come out of the eyes. So it doesn't matter if it's this way or this way. As long as they're covered, they will grow. They multiply quickly, so in 5 or 10 years, you can probably dig them up and divide them and put them in different areas or give them away to your friends, and they'll be your favorite canna lily as well. In the next segment, we'll talk about Tigridia.